We're going to buy a high-level phone number today. So if you're looking to figure out how to set up your phone number, this video is for you. I did another video here where basically if you're just getting started, you're going to go into the agency level and before you get here and turn on the phone integration, and then simply go into the sub account that you're going to get a phone number for. This is a demo account, so we're going to get a brand new one. We're going to go to settings at the bottom left, and we're going to go to phone numbers. And what we're going to do is click add phone number and add a number. So we're going to get a number that is used for text messaging and calls. If you wanted to get more advanced, you can add a number pool to use for lead tracking. But today we're just going to keep it simple and just get a phone number here. So we're going to add a phone number, and how you do this, you actually want to filter it by area codes. So as you can see, it's like $1.15 here for New York, but if I filter this out and put in 808 is Hawaii's area code, and I want to match this number to the first part, not the last part of the number. I want the first part of the number to be the area code, and then click on apply. And leave all those other boxes checked, and it's going to pull in the area code that I'm looking for. So if there's a state that I've actually had clients that had a specific area code, they didn't have any, so you may have to search and filter specific area codes that you want. Hopefully you have a nearby area if there's none available. So you're going to pick through, and I don't know if you're superstitious, I like to kind of like look through and pick numbers with my clients. So if you're not superstitious, pick any number. We can kind of go through and look and see, like, you want double sequence numbers or a specific, lucky number. Pick your choice, and then you're just going to click proceed to buy now. It's going to charge you $1.15 per month. It's going to show up on your bill. Also, you will need to register your phone number. So I'm not going to buy one today because this is a demo, but once you do purchase your phone number, there's other advanced settings that I'll show you how to sync up as well. And then you'll also want to go in to the advanced settings. I'm sorry, let's see here. Once you purchase the number, let me see. Actually, maybe I'll just try it to buy a number so you can see exactly what it looks like. So I went ahead and purchased the number. It was successful, and this is the number that we chose, and this is the pop-up that shows up. So now the next step, what you're going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and refresh real quick. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is click on the three dots next to the phone number that you got and click edit configuration. So what you're going to do here is forward the calls to your regular cell phone number, or whatever number that you want the calls to be forwarded to. You put that right here. This one right here is default. The system transmits the number of the caller. However, if you prefer the caller ID to show the number of your number, you can also click on that too. You can activate that. What I've done is I usually save my number here with the name of my business and pass it on so I know what business is calling on my screen, and then forward the phone number, to your cell or whatever. Enable call connect feature. This is definitely a great feature. I actually love this, especially for my real estate agents. So what this does is enables the feature to press any key, and when it'll connect you with the call. So if a lead comes in and you get a lead, a call, you set that up in the automation, which I can show you in another video. It will call you saying you have a lead, and then when you press any number, it'll connect you and start dialing out to the lead. This whisper message, when you turn this on, is going to say, hey, you have a call from XYZ. You can actually start typing in call from Got Funnels. Or if you're the agency owner, you can put in your business name so that your clients know that they're getting a lead from you, or their own business. You can say call from GoHighLevel, the system. Call recording, you want to turn that on. This call will be recorded for quality purposes, or you can also change that message with the business name. Like, hello, this is XYZ business. This call is being recorded. You can even just leave it off if you want to. Incoming call timeout is the amount of seconds of the time that it's going to be ringing, and then outgoing as well. So that's how many times it's going to be ringing when you call out. Incoming, how many times the call is ringing before it gets, well, if you pick it up faster than that, it'll keep ringing for 20 seconds. You can also have the ring incoming call to multiple users. I just have myself in here, so it's only myself there, or you just leave it blank, right? But you have multiple users on the account, you can start ringing everyone who's available, and whoever picks up will be ready to go. So that's how you set up your phone number. There's another video I talk about how to set up the A2P registration. If you have any questions, let me know. Go to that section. There should be a link below this video to go into the other part of my course that goes into more specifics about the A2P registration. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.